Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry, I'm being watched. So today I'm coming at you with a fresh story time. As you can see from the title, this is one crazy thing and it's happened today. So maybe we'll make a follow-up about like what happened, like the effects of this story. But we have some special guests today. We're not alone. So this story is going to be told by not just me, but two of my friends. I swear I didn't pay them to be in this video. So without any further ado, let's get into the story.
Okay, I'm Rowan. I'm here for this because I crave death and we almost died today.
So yeah, we almost died today. The school almost exploded. We saw it with our own eyes.
It was terrifying.
It was
So let's start from the beginning. So each of us have a different beginning because each of us came to school differently.
Yeah.
But for me, I took the bus and it was a full moon. Full moon. So I was like, oh my god, it's a full moon! And then I got to school. Take a moment.
Keep going.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Wait, oh, is it my turn now?
Yeah, what was your beginning of the day?
Oh, my beginning of the day? So, I got to school and for the first time in 4 years, that's right, I'm a senior and I haven't done this yet. I went and I actually got breakfast from the cafeteria in the morning and it was like these weird pancake things and I tried to eat them but I instead passed away.
So that was probably a sign from God.
From God to be
He
like,
came to me in a dream and
Okay,
he told
no,
me
I
that
actually
it
have
was
a real
sign.
experience with Jesus.
That's for another video.
Storytime
no,
Jesus
that has
talks
to
to
do
me.
with
Oh
this.
really? Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So what was your
yesterday? I woke up and I went to school and the sky was red and like you know that saying it's like red sky in the morning, sailors take warning. So like I take that and like here. Excuse me, sorry. Okay. So I take that like really literally. So I was like, okay, so that means something bad is gonna happen. And so like I thought I was just like having a bad day or something like that. Like I was gonna get a bad grade. So like it was fine. But then I woke up. But then I woke up today after a dream, and Jesus told me to be like safe today. And I was like, why is Jesus telling me to be safe? I really have to be safe. And I got off the bus, and the school almost exploded. And like Jesus was there for me this morning. Okay. And like he was setting all the signs and everything. So like this is why I'm thankful. Like I'm so thankful for God's being in my life.
Okay, so I'm just gonna also say that yesterday we were supposed to do a red out for Puerto Rico, and our principal didn't wear red, and she was like, oh my god, I forgot! So today she comes in wearing red. Let me just say that.
She's really fake.
And then she comes in today wearing red and then the
doesn't
school
like her,
almost
he told me.
explodes. Like,
Yeah, so
Like honestly, conspiracy. Like
yeah.
she's part of the Illuminati.
Also, but earlier, okay, so like before we actually, because we had to evacuate because you know the school's gonna
Wait,
explode.
let's get there. So
Oh my god.
then once the bell rang, 7:25, I walked up the hall. I was going to class, and then me, my other friend Crystal, and was Maddie there?
No, Maddie wasn't there.
Oh, me
Why
and
are you talking about yourself
Crystal.
in the third person?
All of the math rooms were locked with a key. So everybody was standing outside, and it was like me, Crystal, and Leon, and that's already another.
That's why it could have been a conspiracy. Like they wanted us to die.
Yeah, because they were all locked.
They locked us out of the room.
So they unlocked the room, and we went inside and sat down. And I had a calc test today, so we started like pretend. No, we were pretending like we were studying.
Pretending.
And then that's when we heard the announcement. So
Oh, is it my turn now? Ew, what am I doing to my eyes? Okay, so like, I went into my class. I was AP Lit. I was not prepared for class because I'm a bad person. I didn't do any of my homework, and so I was stressed. And then some people were walking by, and they were like, "Oh my gosh, there's a gas leak on the 4th floor." And I was like, "Why didn't we evacuate yet then?" And then, like about 5 minutes later, there was like this announcement, and it was like, "Please evacuate the building." And
from the principal.
Oh yeah, the principal was like, "We have to evacuate the building," and I was like, "Okay, Ms. Bulletin Board, we can get out." And then. But then on the way down, I really knew that we were going to die because the fire alarm started going off. But we were only able to go out one door, So like everybody got stuck in the hallway, and like we were all just standing still, and the fire alarm was going off, and I was like, we're all gonna literally die.
trying to
Yeah.
Honestly, they're all against us.
So they had the Schubert garage thingy open, so they knew that there was a gas leak because they obviously planted it.
No.
So they had the thing open, and then
why
we
would it be open
walked
if it
into
wasn't?
there. Yeah, it wouldn't
At
have
the
been
Schubert,
open.
we know.
Oh, wait, hold on.
We
I haven't
know.
told my story.
And Miss Alfred,
Oh my gosh.
she said, "Okay, yeah, you can go first."
Okay, so before I talk about Miss Alfred, so I came to school and like people were being really disrespectful to me. My gym teacher was yelling at me, asking me what the letter of my bus was. I lied. What if he?
Okay, wait.
Sorry, the maximum, there might have been a jump cut there because the maximum recording time
Look at
reached.
Maddie's face.
So that's like another conspiracy that the world doesn't want us to talk about this because then we'll expose them.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
But my gym teacher was asking me what
He's
bus
sexist.
letter I was. Yeah, so I was really offended because I was like, why are you asking me questions at this time
Because
of
she's a
morning?
girl, so
Exactly, so
that's
like,
why.
That's just like offensive.
I agree.
Okay, so I came to school this morning and then I gave my bag to security guard and then I was like walking to the office and I was getting yelled at to go quickly and I was like, why am I getting yelled at to go quickly? Like I'm trying to go to class on time, right? So like I got my late pass because I was already late anyway. So then I grabbed my bag, I was walking upstairs, but then people were like, go back downstairs, and I was like, why do I need to go back downstairs? Like I'm trying to be a scholar, like.
I'm trying to be a scholar. I need to get into college.
I mean, exactly, like I'm just like being scholarly,
Yeah,
like
she's
ready
trying
for
to
class.
educate herself.
Like, literally, like I'm trying to be
Educate?
educated, and like, they're keeping me from being educated. So I was like, okay, can I help you? Like, why are you telling me what to do? So I was like, no, I'm going to class, and they were like, no, there's a gas leak, the school's gonna explode, and I literally was gonna cry. Like I saw my life flash before my eyes, and I was like, oh my god. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to. Excuse me, that was disrespectful. He interrupted me.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh my gosh, I was like, oh my god, like I need to call my mom. Like, what if I die today? Like, I really like honestly.
Then
I'm
I
like
saw
an
her in the
American
hallway.
hero because like I thought I was gonna die, and then I saw Cynthia, and honestly, that was like where I was like I felt like Jesus was with me.
I saw
because,
her
like,
and
I saw
our
her.
eyes connected, and she didn't even
was
say
like-
"Hey Cynthia, like I'm over here."
We just like knew, like that. It
and,
was like Jesus
like
was like
I
bringing
reached
us
out for
together.
her.
I wasn't involved in this.
No.
I feel rejected.
So and then we went. Okay, so now we can go talk about.
Yeah,
the
so now we went to the Schubert. That's where like our school evacuates to. It's not really part of the story, but like, and then we got there, and like a few minutes later, Miss Alfred, which is one of the teachers, like his teacher, she was like,
she's one of the choir teachers. She
yeah,
is the choir teacher. She's
yeah,
not one of them. There's
she's
only
the.
one.
So she said that people were asking for the choir to sing, but like people
But like no
were
one,
talking
no one
to
asked.
each other.
Like literally.
So did Miss Belton like? Oh, sorry. Did like
Bolsenborn?
did somebody like tell her that during the event today the choir would sing? Because why else would they have prepared that piece?
Exactly.
I know. I was
So-
confused when we were learning that because I'm in the choir and I like had to sing that, and I was like,
Yeah.
am I like indirectly involved in a conspiracy to blow up the school? Like what?
Because they learned it before the today.
I know we didn't learn it on the spot.
exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So obviously she was planning for them to perform it at the Schubert.
No.
Yeah, so obviously like
She knew.
they're Satanists, obviously, because like we love Jesus at this school, so like she's just a Satanist. Oh my god, honestly.
Ew.
But yeah, and then we were trapped in there. They didn't give us any food or water for
No.
like a whole like 90
And then
minutes.
Literally,
the
we
disrespect that they had towards us when Mr.
What's his?
We have to make up a fake name. Mr. Junie B. Jones.
Wait, I don't know what you're talking
But basically, I'm gonna keep telling the story because they're freaking out. So like, we were living our lives.
Storytime, I met Judy B. Jones.
So basically, we were living. Ooh, I didn't know the camera's up there. We were living our lives, just sort of like chilling in the Schubert.
Yeah.
And we had just been singing, and then he comes up on stage, Mr. Junie B. Jones, and and he's like, okay, so what's gonna happen is that like you're gonna have to sit here for another 30 to 40 minutes.
And I was like, are you serious? Like, I could die. Like, they literally offered us no food, no water, like, no nutrients. The lights were really dark. Like, I really felt like I was in a cage. Die. Honestly. I felt like they were treating us like animals.
But I wasn't done yet.
When all I was trying to do was get educated.
Oh my god. But anyway, why is this flashing? I'm terrified. Anyway.
Because it's only like a few seconds left. Gas leak who?
Being stressed.
Okay, so like, oh, my hair is sticking up because I'm gay. So, so basically, what happened next? This is wild. So like, we were living our lives. The choir sang again. We sang twice, okay, and. Like.
They were like forcing them to sing like.
This is another clue that Miss Alfred obviously knew that the school was going to be blown up.
Miss
Alfred, because she said this is one that you guys can sing along with us. So why would she prepare a song that everybody can sing if she?
Exactly.
Like, you know what I mean?
You know, like.
Oh, my mind is blown. Did I just spit everywhere? I'm sorry. Okay, but anyway, we have to keep going with the story. So like, basically. Miss Bulletin Board came up onto the stage. She came through. Everyone was clapping because I thought it was someone else. But then she emerged from the curtain and everyone stopped clapping because we don't like her. And anyway,
this video is not gonna see the light of day.
I hope not. but like,
Miss Mac is coming.
No.
I'll hide it.
This is stressful. This is my best angle, everybody.
Rowan.
I'll have it for next class.
Yeah, no, I was gonna bring it next class.
Yeah, because I'm not gonna be able to focus. It is Friday.
All right.
Got you, Mac. Okay, we're back.
No,
Wow,
it's
it was a
facing us.
cameo.
Okay.
His voice just.
Stop.
No, but like, no, we can't stop. We have to finish
We were just
chronicling.
Go.
No, stop. Okay.
You have to talk before the viewers leave.
No, but Miss Bulletin Board, she was like, so we're instead of like going by our normal schedule for the rest of the day today, we're gonna get rid of third period, and then you're just gonna go from first period to fifth period. And I was like, because we go to an arts school, and third period is our arts period. Like
for seniors, and like seniors are more important because like.
we have our projects,
everything.
we have our capstone.
Yeah, exactly. We have like big projects that we have to do, and like this, like you know, like she just doesn't
So
understand.
she didn't want us to go to our art period and.
So like, is she trying to make us not graduate? Like this is all like just like one big
What if she's
conspiracy
trying
that
to
like
make
we figured
us?
out?
What if she's trying to make us stay? Because
Exactly. Like, what if she's gonna trap us here? Like, I just want to go to college.
So then, after that, I heard like a boom noise.
no, wait, we didn't get permission.
Oh my god! Consent.
Salami, get out of the frame.
All of the flowers.
Whoa, nature is
That's
amazing.
it's exploding. So I heard that noise and I was like, oh my god, what was that? Like, did something like explode?
Literally everyone started crying at this moment because we all heard it.
And what was?
It was the boom.
What was the noise?
It was a boom, remember?
Yeah, but, like,
I don't know what the noise was, but it might have been Miss Bulletin Board.
Like setting off the
killing
detonator
someone,
and like
yeah.
exploding the school.
Yeah, exactly. Like it was like gas.
turning up
Gas rare.
like
It's a school.
the CO2 levels.
Exactly. Like, what if we could be being poisoned right now, but like on outside and not know because you can't smell
Oh,
it?
thank God.
Because like I'm a scholar, like so I know these things because I'd love to like learn.
You love to learn, you love science. You're like a scientist,
I
okay?
am like a scientist. Like I've taken science for like 2 years now, so like I'm pretty much a scientist.
Oh, we're done.
Yeah, hold on.
Are we done?
So we'll be back for the conclusion.
Yeah.
Wait, it didn't
Oh wait, it
start
didn't start. I'm sorry. I'm
Go
bad
ahead.
at filming.
In conclusion.
So yeah, in conclusion.
So basically what happened was we all came to school and then like as school started, like we were in first period, we got called and like over the voice thingy and they said everybody has to evacuate. So we came to school just to leave school.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally.
Because they wanted the money from the transportation companies and from the breakfast. So they got
Don't they
all
have
the
to
money.
pay the
No, it's like no, it doesn't work like that.
No, it's a volunteer.
so stupid. No, but like, and then, oh my God. But the thing is, if the school exploded, where are we now? Like,
This is
Yeah,
my
like
house.
what if this is like, so this is why this is all a conspiracy. Like they just like they're greedy and like they just like want us to not
So
succeed.
after
Yeah.
the
They want
school
our money.
exploded, we got transferred to a different dimension in which the school did not explode.
I know, it was like
So-
a rip in the time
So the
space.
school did explode. Like we're in the school right now because it's a different dimension of a school, but in a different dimension, the school did
Oh
explode.
my god, what if you don't have followers in this dimension?
No, but like that's not. That's something that's like very
No, like
It's like a
followers
universal
like stay, you
constant.
know.
through every dimension.
For every dimension, every single one.
So
That's
this is he's
agreeable.
also famous. So
Yeah,
I'm a
guys.
singer.
so thank you for watching. This is Rowan.
This is with like our like a celebrity guest. Like honestly, I'm so honored that.
Wait, are you just like the
wanted
normal
to-
guest and then I'm like
Yeah,
the
I'm
celebrity?
like the one that's like usually here, but like and don't have a YouTube channel because like I'm like way too busy for that, you know. I'm like too professional.
She's an actress as well.
Yeah, but I just like showed her a lot because like, I want to support my.
She's been in 34 shows.
I know, and like
directed
17 movies?
So, like,
Yeah, and she's directed shows.
and I've
too.
even like written my own.
Yeah, she's a writer as well.
I'm pretty much like famous.
So this is like a group of famous people, so you should probably like this video.
Yeah, and follow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe
Yeah.
button and put a comment down there saying about how perfect we are.
And remember to not trust anybody because the people that are our administrators can't be trusted.
Obviously,
they're the
like,
ones
they're
out to
greedy,
get
and,
us.
like they're like conspiring against us because they don't want us to succeed, which is just like offensive. So don't trust anyone.
Yeah, the
but,
school
like,
system is rigged. Don't go to college.
honestly, yeah.
boom.
Okay.
Goodbye,
so-
everybody.
wait,
Goodbye.
Bye.
Wait, no.
That is
What?
the end.
That was the end.
This is the conclusion.
This is the outline.
Thank you for watching.